Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video where I create this look which is meant for clubbings and parties and any social gathering where you want to look very glamorous and yet very subtle. So this is the look I came up with. This will go with any kind of a gown or a cute party dress or a sexy party dress, anything that you like and what is like your style. But this look is complementing everything, like the browns and the nudes, they go good with everything. So to get started with this look, let's go.
To start today's makeup, I'm using this primer from Patanjali and I'm going to apply it to all over my face so I can get a smooth base to work on. Then using a foundation, I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm using a light coverage foundation. You can use a full coverage or a medium coverage, whatever is your preference, and I'm going to blend it out using a makeup sponge. I prefer makeup sponge because that gives me the best blend. You can use a brush or your fingertips, your choice. Then to set my foundation, I'm using this compact from Lakme as well. For my under eye area, I'm using the applicator that comes with the compact, and rest of my face, I'm using a fluffy brush. For bronzing, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Bronzer and I'm going to apply it to the cheekbones, jawline and my forehead to give me a slender look because I want that slender look. You can go with whatever your preference. Eyebrows, I'm using this grey brown shade and I'm going to fill in my natural eyebrows because why not? For my eyeshadow, first thing that I'm going to do is use this Kajal on a pencil brush and I'm going to apply it to the outer corners of my eyelids as well as the inner corners of my eyelids so that I can get a halo eye look kind of an effect, if you know what I mean. Using this light brown and this warm tone darker brown shade, I'm going to blend the Kajal out using small circular motions. Blend, 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 blend. That's too much blending, bro. Are you done yet? Yeah. Next up, I'm using this green brush and the lighter brown shade. I'm going to apply it to the center part of my eyelid to give me that halo eye kind of look that I was talking about. Then using this brown glitter, I'm going to apply it to my eyelid using patting motions. I won't rub it, I won't drag it. I would pat it. Patting motions will give you the best application without ruining your eyeshadow. Then to set that glitter, I'm using this red undertone brown and I'm going to pat that also. So the glitter stays on the place and doesn't move around. Then to blend out the eyeshadow, I'm using the light brown shade as a transition and I'm going to apply it to the crease. Then taking the Kajal again on the pencil brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line with it till the center and won't drag it to the inner corners. Next up, I'm using the warm tone brown shade and the red undertone darker brown shade and I'm going to smudge out my Kajal so my eye look looks complete and doesn't look bad. I did my liner off the camera using Mars Gel Eyeliner, and for mascara I'm using this volumizing mascara from Maybelline because I like volume when I'm going out for a party. Then for blush I'm going very neutral using peach shades because I'm kind of going with a neutral kind of look. You can use pink, red, whatever. For highlighter I'm going with this golden highlight, applying to the highest points of my face. You know the drill with that. And once I'm done highlighting, I'll do my lipstick off the camera because why not? You all know how to apply lipstick. I chose this brown kind of lipstick to go with my eyeshadow.
That was it guys, that was it for this video, and if you like this look, if you like me, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and comment down below what you want to see me doing next, and I will make it happen. And thank you for watching. Bye.